Sturt's desert pea, Swainsona formosa, is a striking flowering plant native to the arid regions of Australia. Its vibrant red and black flowers have made it a popular choice for gardeners and native plant enthusiasts around the world. If you want to grow Sturt's desert pea from seed, here's how to get started. Gather seeds. You can buy Sturt's desert pea seeds online or collect them from existing plants. Look for mature pods that have dried out and turned brown. Gently shake the pods to release the seeds. Prepare soil. Sturt's desert pea prefers well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. Mix in some sand or gravel if your soil is heavy or clay-based. Plant seeds. Sow the seeds directly into the soil in spring or autumn. Make a small hole with your finger, drop the seed in, and cover it lightly with soil. Space the seeds at least 20 centimeters apart. Water regularly. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Sturt's desert pea is adapted to drought conditions, so be careful not to overwater. Provide support. Sturt's desert pea is a climbing plant that needs support to grow. You can provide a trellis, fence, or other structure for the plant to climb on. Provide sun and warmth. Sturt's desert pea needs plenty of sunlight and warmth to grow. Choose a sunny location for planting and protect the plant from frost. Fertilize sparingly. Sturt's desert pea doesn't need much fertilizer, but you can apply a slow-release fertilizer in spring if desired. Watch for pests and diseases. Sturt's desert pea can be prone to root rot and fungal diseases if the soil is too moist. Watch for pests such as aphids and caterpillars and treat them promptly if necessary. Harvest pods. If you want to collect seeds for next year's planting, wait until the pods have dried out and turn brown before harvesting them. Growing Sturt's desert pea from seed can be a rewarding experience. With the right care and attention, you can enjoy the striking beauty of these unique plants in your own garden.